Hey, what's up guys? Check it out. We made it down here to Mesa, Arizona. We're here at Mesa High School. This place is beautiful. They got a big addition they just put on this school. It's huge, it's really nice. And best of all, the sun is just gloriously shining. I love the sun. We're super excited. We just rolled out. We're getting ready to weld with the boys and girls here at Mesa High School. I'm really looking forward to it. Let's get this started.
I have about 150 students. I've been here for about 7 years. I just love the whole atmosphere of kids learning it, me teaching it. You get me being able to weld with them and learning with them. And when you're teaching a student something and he's really struggling, like he gets so angry, like he wants to quit, but then the next day he just knows how to do it. That's the best part. It's that knowledge that he's just like, I missed something and then I found it. They're really hard workers. They do pretty much anything you tell them to do, and then they go on from there. When you're with somebody for 4 years, see them grow up, you're like, wow, there's almost like you're a kid, you know what I mean? All the hardworking men and women in the field, blue collar, they really deserve all the credit in the world for making this place awesome. They move the world. I mean, without them, we wouldn't have roads, bridges. Yeah, it'd be a lot harder to get around. Thank you guys for showing up and helping our schools, especially the kids that are trying to find what they love.
Also, I want to thank you, Mr. Medina. Thank you so much. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be out here. Now, kids, look to this man. He is your hero. He's going to give you wisdom and knowledge, teaching you guys, inspiring you, bringing on the next generations of trade. You guys are the heart and the soul of this city, this state, and this country. You guys are heroes. This country needs blue-collar trades. We need the plumbers to run the water. We need the electricians to run the electricity to your house. You need the carpenters to build the house. And of course, ultimately, the welders to hold the whole country together! Blue-collar tar! 2024!
Wow, dude, here in Mesa, Arizona, you guys flat threw down. Tons of energy in that room, bunch of really good welders. This was incredible. 2024 Blue Collar Tour. You guys rocked it here in Mesa. We're about to roll this bandwagon up. We're gonna head down to Tucson, kicking off Monday morning. So if you're in Tucson, stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Let's get it rolling.
Let's build America!